So we have Algebra 2, Module 6, Lesson 1, Explain 2 on page 273, Subtracting Polynomials. And to subtract polynomials, combine like terms. So let's look at this one. So we have our, these aren't binomials, but we have our two polynomials that are being subtracted. Write in standard form. So they wrote the first one in standard form. Align like terms and add the opposite signs to them. So they're going to be, basically you're multiplying by a -1 is what is happening here. So this, if you need to, put a little 1 there, and you're going to be distributing the negative to each and every term inside this polynomial. So when you do that, you're changing the signs of the different monomials. And then once you've accomplished that, then you can just combine like terms by adding their coefficients, and you are finished. Alright, so B. And again, look at the same thing. Look how possibly to set it up and how to group them, how to distribute. You can write in standard form the opposite signs. Okay, so notice that we have our one here and one here. So they went ahead and distributed that negative first, and as a current, keeping it inside the parentheses. But this also then becomes a positive. This is an important difference here. Once you distribute that negative, technically it's plus whatever's inside that parentheses, even if it's a plus negative now. So once they've done that, you can group like terms. Same base, same exponents. And then hopefully you added. Okay, so let's look at reflect. Going to move the paper up. Is the difference of the two polynomials always a polynomial? Yes. Because the subtraction process just creates different monomials, and monomials create polynomials. It's the same as the sum of polynomials. Again, it's not after copying, it's after the concept. So let's look at your turn. So you can use the notes that you might have already, or any of the forms that they have up above, or your own, as long as it works. Go ahead and pause the video. Alright, let's check your answers. So again, this is how they did it. They distributed the negative, making that a plus there and changing the signs of everything inside. And technically this should be a plus. The book is wrong on that one. So please note that should actually be having its sign changed. And so this actually should be 32. So if you're looking at it and going, why did that one sign change? That's because that's just a typo in the book. Okay, let's go ahead, do the next one. Pause the video. Try to work it out on your own. Test your skills. Alright, let's check your answers. Again, you can pick however you want to go about doing it. This is just their way. But as long as your process works, then it's all good. Alright, up next is Explain 3, Modeling with Polynomial Addition and Subtraction. I hope this helped.